Anong group po yung ready na sa inyo? Group 1 or Ma'am Realiza, ready na po kayo?
Opo, group 5 po.
Group 5. Okay, sige, why not? Anong next sa group 5 na ready? Para at least makapag-prepare. Para matapos na kayo agad. 5.
Group 3, ma'am.
Group 3. Okay, sige. So, group 5, you can start now and then ang mag-a-ask po ng questions regarding sa inyong case study analysis ay ang group 3. Okay? And then vice versa. And then we move na lang as we move along. Okay, group 5, you can start na po with your presentation.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Ito po yung presentation. Ang case study po namin is regarding Airbnb. Case background. Naririnig po ako?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Case background. Airbnb, originally known for its short-term rental service, has continuously evolved its platform to offer a comprehensive travel experience. The company has introduced new features such as experiences, places, and expanded functionalities for homes and trips. These changes aim to provide users with a more immersive and personalized travel experience. Our central problem is a strategy to ensure the platform effectively meets the evolving needs and expectations of both travelers and hosts as Airbnb expands its service and features. This includes providing a seamless and comprehensive travel experience, fostering closer connections between hosts and guests, and maintaining high-quality standards across the platform. Viewpoint. The viewpoint for this case study is that of the co-founders, Brian Chesky, Joe Jebbia, and Nathan Blek-Harzik, who played pivotal roles in shaping the early trajectory of Airbnb. As the driving forces behind the company's inception, the co-founders' perspectives, divisions, and strategic vision are integral to the understanding of the foundational principles and early growth of Airbnb in 2008. Time context. The time context for this case study is 2008, this year of Airbnb's founding. In 2008, Airbnb was launched as a platform to connect individuals looking for accommodations with hosts offering spare rooms or properties for short-term rentals. This marked the beginning of Airbnb's disruptive presence in the travel and hospitality industry, signaling the start of its journey toward becoming a global leader in the sharing economy. Our alternative courses of action. Enhance user experience. Airbnb can invest in user experience research and design to ensure that the new features, such as experiences and places, are intuitive and easy to use. This could involve conducting usability tests, gathering user feedback, and iterating on the platform's design to optimize user experience. Number 2, host training and support. The company can develop and implement training programs and resources for hosts to help them deliver high-quality experiences and services. This could include guidance on creating compelling experiences, providing local insights, and offering additional services to guests. Number 3, community building. Airbnb can focus on fostering a sense of community among hosts and guests to encourage meaningful interactions and cultural exchange. This could involve organizing local events, facilitating networking opportunities, and creating forums for sharing experiences and tips. Our recommendations. Based on the analysis, our recommendation is to pursue all 3 alternative courses of action in a holistic approach. By enhancing user experience, providing comprehensive support for hosts, and fostering a sense of community, Airbnb can create a more compelling and differentiated travel platform. action plans. Our first action plan is yung enhance user experience, conduct user research to identify pain points and areas for improvement in the user journey. Collaborative and with design and development teams to implement iterative improvements to the platform's interface and functionality based on user feedback. New features and services with a focus group of users to gather insights and make necessary adjustments. Number 2, host training and support. Develop online training modules and resources for hosts to learn about creating engaging experiences, providing local insights, and offering additional services. Provide ongoing support and communication channels for hosts to seek guidance and best practices. Recognize and showcase hosts who consistently deliver exceptional experience to incentivize high-quality offerings. Number 3, community building. Organize local events and meetups for hosts and guests to connect and share experiences. Implement a community platform within Airbnb for hosts and guests to exchange tips, recommendations, and cultural insights. Establish a recognition program to highlight outstanding contribution from hosts and guests in building a vibrant community. By implementing these action plans, Airbnb can further solidify its position as a comprehensive travel platform that facilitates meaningful connections and authentic experiences for travelers worldwide. Thank you for your attention, and that's our report, ma'am.
Thank you, Group 5. So, ma'am, pwedeng paki-move po ulit sa central problem niyo po.
Eto po.
Okay, so according sa case study, ma'am, mas maganda po yung central problem niyo po is supposed to be one sentence only. So yan, kapag po kayo magpe-present ng inyong case study. Kumbaga kung ano lang po yung focus ng gusto niyo pong i-solve na problem based po sa case study na nabasa niyo. So ano po yung pinaka-main problem po ng case study ng Airbnb?
Ano po siya, ma'am? Wala po siyang comprehensive policy para I mean, wala po siya, hindi po na-expand. Hindi po pa na-expand sa ibang places. Hindi pa po alam. Ay, hindi pa po alam. Wait lang, ma'am, ha?
Ma'am, may I answer po? Permission to speak.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Dayan po. Ang main central problem po namin is yung a strategy to ensure the platform effectively meets the evolving needs and expectations of both travelers and hosts as Airbnb expands its services and features po.
Okay, so dun lang po tayo mag-focus sa first sentence. So yan. So a strategy to ensure the platform effectively meets the evolving needs and expectation of both travelers and hosts as Airbnb expands its services and features. Features pala. Okay, so ano po yung mga naging supporting evidence po niya na merong problem sila pagdating po sa platform na nakaka-apekto po sa travelers and hosts when it comes to, services na ino-offer ni Airbnb. Ano po yung naging specific problem po sa case study? Meron po bang nabanggit doon? Sa case study po na nabasa niyo po? Nagkaroon ba sila doon ng mga tawag dito, huge, parang bumaba ba yung sales nila or yung kanilang profit or tumaas yung kanilang mga guest of complaints or the demands from the tourism industry when it comes to accommodation? May nabanggit po ba sa case study na ganun? That's why you come up, ang pinaka-problema ng case study ay yung etong pre-post niyo po.
Mekos.
Ah, anybody from the group? Anybody, pwede naman po yung ibang ka-group niyo po mag-answer. Ano to, parang dry run na rin po ito pag nagkaroon kayo ng defense. Ganito rin po yung itatanong nila kasi nagpa-panel din po ako sa defense, especially for Allende Group. So yan, parang practice na po natin to. So ano po naging supporting evidence niyo po why you come up with this central problem? Based on the case study na nabasa niyo po.
Ang
Hello,
demand
ma'am.
po,
Rico Pelayo, Group 5 member.
Okay, go ahead Sir Rico. Sir Rico muna. Go ahead, Sir Rico. Sige po, go ahead, Sir Rico.
Yeah. So regarding them, okay, number one po, yung enhance po ang user experience, okay? Then number two, yung host training and support. Then number three, is community building. As Airbnb po, na nagbi-business din ako sa Airbnb, yun po yung naging experience ko din as mismong ako yung engaging with the Airbnb na dumating po sa punto yung kanilang platform na ginagamit ko which is the app for host in advertising my condo unit. In-enhance po nila yung mga future sa app. Gaya po ng yung nakakapag-post na po kami ng mga maraming picture regarding sa unit namin. Kasi sa Airbnb po, when I use the app, dati, nung una kong ginagamit ang Airbnb as a user, ang Airbnb na mga technical support, hindi allowed sa amin na magkaroon ng multi-display or hanggang kunyari, let's say 5 pictures lang. So later on, in related po dun sa enhancement ng experiences ng user, okay? So dumating po sa punto na marami na silang naging option. So dinevelop nila ang Airbnb app na marami na pwede na kaming maglagay ng, let's say, ano yung ma-offer namin, ano yung mga facilities ng unit, okay? Ano yung paano, let's say, halimbawa, during the pandemic time, hindi siya pwedeng face to face. So as dun sa mga nagiging clients namin sa Airbnb, ayaw nilang makipag-usap sa host dahil nga because of the COVID-19. So during the COVID-19 hanggang ngayon, kasi dati hindi naman nila ini-implement yun eh. So nagkaroon po, dinevelop nila sa app mismo, yun nga to enhance the experience ng mga clients namin as a user. So nagkaroon kami doon sa app wherein makakapag-select kami na, let's say, yung key, hindi na siya turnover face-to-face. So pwede, let's say, binibigyan kami siya option na app na iiwan na lang ang susi. Okay, sa post box namin, and then doon siya kukunin, then bibigyan namin ng instruction ng mga guests, which wherein before the pandemic, walang mga ganung option kasi lahat face to face po ang when regards to Airbnb as host. So yun po yung number one. Then number two po, yung host training and support wherein develop din ng Airbnb. That as hindi namin masyadong ma-explore ang app ng Airbnb. So nagkakaroon po sila ng seminar, nagsisend sila sa email ng link namin, how to use the platform effectively. Kasi nga po, yung iba, hindi naman po lahat ng nagpipisil sa Airbnb marunong gumamit ng computer. Okay? So nagkaroon po ng mga training, seminar, free seminars.
NBJS mo po talaga yan, Jake.
Technician ng Airbnb. So from there, kaya na namin
Tatak nila
explore
yun
more
eh.
ang paggamit ng app. So
Tatak
mostly,
nila.
since ano po ito, online app ang Airbnb, wala naman siya office dito sa Manila ng office ng Airbnb. So nakikipag-usap kami, yun nga, in-enhance ng after this pandemic COVID-19, ang mga technical support ng Airbnb, yung application nila on online support sa mga trainees nga, seminar na nakatutulong po sa mga host ng nagaya namin na nagbibigay sa Airbnb to solve po yung gap between kami na as host and dun sa mga gusto mag-rent sa Airbnb. Yun, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Sir Rico. Is it stated on the case study po? Yung mga evidence na in-state niyo, sir?
Bali, nakalagay lang po dito sa ano namin para hindi na siya umaba. Yun ang mga lang pong major, that's it, nakalagay lang po dito, yung mga action plan, yung enhanced user experience. So nakalagay lang po siya, yung main
Sir,
topic
dun
na
sa ano po, dun sa case study mismo na pinagkuhaan niyo po nitong Airbnb.
dito po sa presentation, wala. In-explore ko lang, ma'am. Kasi main topic lang po yung ano po, diniscuss ko na in mga Airbnb. Pero po dun sa question niyo, ma'am, regarding sa case study, wala po.
Walang nakalagay po na central problem po doon. Go ahead, sir. Okay. So, yung po
Yung competition po sa Quire.com tsaka Mafengwo na business, kung paano din po nila, paano sila makaka-upkeep or beat up po dun sa mga apps po. Kasi app din po kasi sila na for rental. So,
So, yun, I think dun, kapag nag-ano po kayo, kapag halimbawa tinanong kayo what is the supporting evidence, okay, ano lang po yun, everything that you're going to answer, it has to be on the case study. Okay? And then, yung mga conclusion nyo na po, or kung ano yung mga findings nyo, yung further research nyo, sa latter part na po iyon, sa pinaka-latter part. Why you come up with the marketing strategy. Okay, sa conclusion, sa inyong plan of action. So, yan. Dito po sa start, most of the time, ang tinatanong po lagi dyan is, what is the context of the case study? Kasi given, ito na po yung mga given information na nasa case study po. So, syempre, in relation, parang ganun yun, i-relate nyo ngayon. So, base sa nakikita nyo doon, there is a competition of different platform. And in terms of marketing, marketing aspects, to compete with the emerging competition, ang strategy na gagawin nyo ngayon to address that central problem is to ensure the platform effectively meets the evolving needs and expectation of both traveler and host as Airbnb expand its services and features. Okay? So nakikita nyo po yung connection. So nag-connect na po siya, di ba? So move po tayo
yes po.
sa time context naman po. Ano pong linagay nyo pong time context? Yan. Sa time context naman po, normally, ang linalagay po lang dyan is ano po ang year na nag-arise yung problem na yun na nakita nyo po sa Airbnb. Hindi po yan ay year kung kailan po tinatag ang Airbnb, kung kailan po nangyari yung problema nila na nagkaroon sila ng competition. Anong year po yun? Kasi yun po yung problem na gusto nyo pong ma-resolbahan according po sa case study, di ba? So, anong year po yun na nakalagay sa case study? May nakalagay po ba sa case study dun sa inyong 2016. So, yun po ang pinaka-time context nyo. Kung yun po, kasi hindi ko naman po nabasa yung case study na meron po kayo. Okay, so nag-ano lang po kung how you analyze the case study. So, ang time context nyo po ay 2016. Yan. Kasi po, during 2016, nagkaroon po ng merging competition between the same app as Airbnb. Gets nyo po? So, yan. Yun po yung naging competition nun. So, sino ngayon daw ang makakasolve ng problema na yon? Sino makakasolve? Sino ang viewpoint? Siyempre, the CEO. Sino po ang CEO ng Airbnb? Yan. So, sila po ang inyong viewpoint. Kasi syempre, sila po ang makakasolve ng problema na yan during 2016. So, para ma-solve po yung problema noong 2016, ano po ang inyong recommendation, alternative courses of action? Yung ginawa niyo pong alternative courses of action. So, yan. Dito po, this is okay, okay? Hindi ko na po to iaano sa inyo kasi that is your, ito po yung inyong recommendation eh. Akas nyo po to eh. Okay, that's your, pagdating po sa inyong analyzation. This is your own analyzation. You just have to defend why you come up with this one. Ito po bang tatlong na to ay ma-address yung problema during 2016? If yes, ano po yung pinaka the best dyan? Number 1, pipili lang po kayo ng isa. Hindi po pwedeng dalawa, kundi isa lang po. Ano po yung magiging recommendation nyo? Primary recommendation. Number 2, host training and support. Do you think having a host training and support, malalagpasan nyo po ang dalawang ka-competitors nyo in terms of market share? Kasi pag sinabi po nating market share, di ba? Pinapalawak po natin yung ating tao dito, share sa market. Binaliktad ko lang, di ba? Pinapalawak natin yung natin, yung scoop natin na yung nare-reach ng ating company, 'di ba? Para mas mataas yung market share natin compare sa dalawang emerging or talagang kilala na rin na platform that offering the same services. So bakit po yung number 2? Ako na nagtanong. Sige, ako na po magtatanong sa lahat ng group. Joke lang.
Ma'am, permission to speak po, Dayan.
Sige, Ma'am
Ma'am,
Dayan, go ahead, Ma'am.
Ang main ano po namin is yung number 1, enhanced user experience.
Okay,
Number 1 po. Kasi po, dun sa enhanced user experience po kasi mako-cover up na niya yung training and support dahil para ma-enhance mo yung more user experience, included na din po dun yung training and support tsaka yung mga expanded na services na gusto mong gawin para ma-enhance mo yung user experience, both host and guest po. Pati po yung sa number 3, maka-come up na din po dun yung mga community building and rewards kasi doon po sa under sa enhanced user experience, ang ano po niyan, example po ang advantages niya, pwede ka makapag-offer ng mga local ways or non-traditional tour experiences sa guest mo, which is makakatulong ka pa mag-generate ng income for the locals. And also, yung travelers, they can increase seeking unique and authentic experiences, prioritizing local and sustainable options. Kino-cover din po niyan yung sa places na yung sa guide po dun sa app. So, through dun sa enhanced training and support, included na po dun dahil nag-expand ka sa training and support using the application, i-customize or pwede mo i-personalize yung gusto ng host or ng guest para papasok ulit siya dun sa more ma-enhance mo yung user experience. Then, yung naman pong mga community building and rewards kung makapagbigay sila ng rewards and recognition sa outstanding services na nagpa-follow ng rules. Kumbaga for a two-way wonderful experience, pumapasok din po siya dun sa enhanced user experience po ng host at saka ng guest.
Yan. Thank you, Ma'am Dayan. So, dito po, pwede nyo po yung maging term for your strategy ay product development. Diba? Kasi yung existing product nyo po ay ide-develop nyo, yung existing services na ino-offer nyo sa inyong consumers and hosts ay mas ide-develop nyo pa para mas maging competitive siya sa market. So all of this, it can cover with one terminology. We call it product development. Okay? So yun po. So yun po pwede nyo gawing number 1, recommendation, product development. So, yan. So, I think pag nakita niyo po yung nasundan niyo po yung mga yung diniscuss ko, may connections po siya, 'di ba? Para hindi po kayo maligaw, especially kapag magpe-present na po kayo on your own. Kasi syempre hindi na kayo by group diyan. It gonna be individual na. So syempre kailangan po from the bottom at to top, kailangan connect po yan. Kapag ang central problem nyo po ay hindi na akma sa inyong alternative courses of action, sa gusto nyong palabasin para ma-solve yung problem na yon, ang tendency po minsan yan ay uulitin yung buong case study. So, syempre, para hindi po mangyari yon, kailangan nagja-jive po siya. Nakikita niyo po yung process niya pag nag-a-analyze po ng case study. So, ganun po yung magiging flow kapag po kayo na nag-analyze ng case study nyo on your own. So, yan. So, I think okay naman po for me. You analyze the case study very good, even though hindi ko siya nabasa. Kasi yun ang importante po kasi sa akin dun eh. Kahit hindi ko nababasa yung case study, ano yung reference nyo for this case study, dapat naiintindihan ko anong naging problema. Okay? Kasi syempre, kapag hindi ko maintindihan anong naging problema, parang may mali. Kailangan basahin ko pa ngayon para maintindihan ko kung ano ba yung gusto nyo palabasin for this analyzation of your case study. So, thank you so much, Group 5. Group 3, may question ba kayo sa Group 5?
Ma'am, this is Arnel Riodica. Actually, majority of those questions that I would like to raise earlier, natanong nyo na po, ma'am. Except for one, I think, it might not probably be aligned with the central problem, but it is more of security because as mentioned earlier by one of their members, minsan hirap silang ma-access yung platform. So it might be another course of alternative course of actions that may enhance their case study. Just a thought lang po.
Oo. So, thank you, Sir Arnel. Actually po, pagdating po sa alternative courses of action, it has to be very specific when it comes to terminology. Anong klase ba na strategy ang gagawin nyo? So, there's so many things naman when it comes to marketing strategy. Okay, one is product development, one is market penetration, one is market segmentation, one is market development. So, you just have to find the correct terminology para to address yung gusto nyong maging solution para sa inyong problem, central problem. So, yun. So, any questions pa po for Group 5? Wala na? So, congrats, Group 5. So, yan.
Thank you po.
Okay? So, follow nyo lang yung insight ko sa inyo kasi I have not really a problem. I observed from previous batch, medyo sabi ko parang magulo ang presentation nila sa sa case study nung nagde-defend sila, medyo nahihirapan sila doon. So this is my one way for you para naman pag nag-compre po kayo ay may idea na po kayo. Okay? Para at least medyo madali para sa inyo 'yun. So, thank you. Okay, next, Group 3.
Thank you po.